Here are 10 benefits of estate planning you might not have thought of. We'll go over all 10 in just a moment. Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt from the DeWitt Law Firm, where we help save your family from the ordeals of probate, get your financial and legal affairs in order, and all without confusion and complexity, no matter how much you have or how young you are. If you have questions about this or anything else, you can set up a time to talk to me for free over the phone or in person by going to planwithgary.com. People often think of estate planning as something that only benefits the wealthy. The truth is, everybody benefits from estate planning. An estate plan ensures your home, finances, and other assets are taken care of following your death and during your lifetime, allowing you to provide for your family now and when you're gone. Taking care of your family has always been the number one priority in your life, and that isn't going to change. The best way to make sure they are taken care of after you're gone is to establish an estate plan while you are still of sound mind. In no order of importance, here are the 10 benefits of estate planning you might not have thought of. Number 1, peace of mind. This sounds cliche, but you can stop worrying about probate, expenses, taxes, old age, and who will take care of you and your affairs when you grow old. Number 2, provide for your family. Your plan provides money for your spouse to continue caring for your family and children. If both of you pass, an estate plan names appointed guardians to care for minor children or a trustee to provide for grown children. Number 3 is to give the right property to the right people. Your plan outlines where your property and assets are to go. This leaves no questions to be resolved by the court or cause family discord. Number 4 is to minimize expenses and taxes. Your plan should be able to minimize the cost of wrapping up your final affairs and transferring property. Compared to the emotional and financial cost of not having a plan is very inexpensive. Number 5 is to ease burdens. Planning the funeral of a loved one is difficult when grieving. Your plan can outline your wishes for your funeral and set aside funds. This takes some of the burden off your family during a difficult time. You can support a church or a charity. Your plan can help support a local cause, charity, or church you are passionate about. You plan for mental incapacity. Life is unpredictable. Accidents happen. Medical incidents occur. If you should become mentally incapacitated, your estate plan outlines who you want in charge and how much power they have to take care of your affairs. You can reduce taxes. Your estate plan should minimize the taxes due. Your beneficiaries get to keep more. You establish control. We believe that our children will set aside their differences and get along and wrap up your affairs without issues. Often, this isn't the case. During these times, we need to name somebody to be in charge. During these times, their differences tend to get amplified. You need to name somebody to serve as the executor or final trustee of your estate to wrap up your affairs. Your plan names this person, which can save money and fights. And finally, your plan can set aside money for children with disabilities, grandchildren's college, and more. Through your plan, you can set up a trust to provide ample funds to support and provide for them. Without a plan, your property may not go to who you want in the amount you want and how you want. Much of it can be tied up in probate for months, if not years, which means your family won't get the assets they need when they need them. You can't make assumptions that everything is going to go the way you want. Legal planning is the best way to make sure your wishes are met. If you have questions about this or anything else, go to planwithgary.com to set up a time to talk to me over the phone or in person for free.